Yes, here is the second sum of exercise 1.1 chapter real numbers. What is that? Find the LCM and HCF of given integers and verify LCM into HCF is equals to products of number. First, to find out the LCM, we have to find out the prime factors of given numbers. What is that? To find out given numbers, to find out the LCM of, you have to find out the prime factors. See, last number is 6. That means even number. If the last digit is even, it's simply divisible by 2. In 2 table 26, how many times? 13 times. As you know, 13 is prime number, so that number has only factors itself and 1. So 13 in 13 table 1 time. So what is that? 26 2 into 13. These are the factors. Now come to 91. If you observe, 91 is divisible by 7 only. Why? Because here the last number is not even, not possible by 2. The sum of the digits is not possible by 3, and the last 2 digits is not possible by 4. Next 5, the last digit should be 5 or 0, that is also not possible. Next 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also not possible. Now come to 7, double the last digit. What is the last digit? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next 9 minus 2, then double, then subtract that number from the remaining part. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So 7 is should divisible by 7. So in 7 table 91 is here 13 times. How many times? 13 times. Again 13 in 13 table 1 time. So 91 is, what is that? 7 into 13. If you observe, what is LCM? We know that LCM is nothing but LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple. While finding the LCM, just we write all the factors what we got for only one time. So what we got here? 2 into 7 into 13. We have these numbers. Now here, what is the definition of LCM? Least common multiple. First write all the multiples. What you got. Next, what is that? The multiple with the highest power. What is the common one here? Least common multiple. What is this? 13. And how many times it appear in these two numbers? 1 time. So this is 1. Here 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 13. 14 into 13 how much? 182. So the LCM is 182. Next HCF. What is HCF? The highest common factor which appears in the both number. Here what is the common factor appears in both number? 13. How many times? In both? 1 time. Highest common factor with least power. So the HCF is 13. Now what they ask, check LCM into HCF is equals to or not to the products of numbers. What is the LCM into HCF here? Here LCM into HCF is nothing but what is the LCM? 182 into 13 is equals to products of numbers. What is the products of numbers? 26 into 91. If you do the calculation here, 182 into 13, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 6 6, 13, 2 3 6 6. If you multiply this also you will get the same. So the LCM and the LCM into HCF is equals to the product of numbers. This is how we have to find out all the sums whenever they get in this form. This is the process to find out the problems.